A very sad news. I don't pay news ever no. I home kanim grana. If you are no sana, I ye buy near beko. I no worker. I no no say, which is 2nd of October 2025. I no worker, formerly of Asante Kotoko, player for Asante Kotoko. I no worker is reported dead. I no worker was recently a coach. Oka Anowoka on say Dino a ringy bell. Recently now or a coach for Great Olympics. Yes. Nti Wamuni Anowoka no. Anowoka we football fan on you should know Anowoka. The photo and the screen so no. Anope ntia ye ba ne se. Anowoka ada de sabenkum so wa join we know make us say the silent majority and say no or join your bompa is a utumfo nyankopon and the krabesi in the busuan and namfo and the football fraternity Asante Kotoko because Asante Kotoko e bia na menuanom bi enim say na or your former Kumasi Asante Kotoko player in 1981 Anowoka was moved to Asante Kotoko. Those period now Obekai Maxwell Kunadumo ya pushi omubano. Anowoka 81 eba Kotoko. Now me the details ka krabi ebe bro ba. Yemfa message way quickly enante as a light for our powerful and the 2nd October 2025, the year of our Lord. Yes, experience people before you judge them. People encounter people differently. You see, you have to experience people. And tonight, I'm say, oh, wait, yes, say not here, yes, say not here. We encounter people differently. I tell you. Oh, yes, we say, yes, we on, yes, we are, yeah. The best thing I can tell you is to experience people yourself. And if you experience people, you are going to know their true colors. And tinaho emma obi en kekan sembi ntu trim say yesi we ye na da utrim. It is better for you to experience them yourself, and through your experience with people, you know say we say not here. People encounter people differently. Mekoye me national service. Tepa. My name say video Mr. Lassan or assistant headmaster then. Me call ya no catch him say minua aha wabe enyame na me beka se we suban to say. Aha na waba no me ma na otwe me ensape ubehu obia suban. Therefore, experience people and draw your own conclusion. Ubuwa beka say onye. But who experience na you realize say it's the nani pe kafa no nyina no, it wasn't like that. We also have because oh wait any papa who experience na if you get close to that person the because we any papa no go obefe say hey we na man for we any papa no me call no ho na anu ya hwede o kire bi. So it is better always for you to experience people and you know them by their true colors. This is the message for our light for our path. Now, it's a sad news. I don't pay na ba. I know Walker said that Americana. Wakochi teams beat said Nania FC, Pando Heart of Lions, Brekum Chelsea, Samates, and recently or joining Great Olympics. Oko the national side and so Tima, your friend the Black Galaxies, why omo tineneda. And yet, as I'm ketwa na to Ghana football no, and the baby I will be no. Dedicate a minute or two. The first utumfo nyankopon say, onfa Anowoka ekra NCAA. Wabeye bi e Ghana football mu. Mamenkai o Kotoko nyom no. The part Thomas Bomaye no. Part baby ozi Anowoke. Is part of the legends of my baby about Asante Kotoko. And now me know ka say when you baby ko tu fu nyankopon ɛmfa ne kra ɛnsie yie ɛman